Our products are easy to install yourself, but if you want assistance, we have a certified installer near you to help. Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. With all of our BimmerTech products, we make them as easy as possible for you to install yourself. Each product we offer comes with a detailed set of instructions, and there is a good chance that we have an installation video for the product for your BMW or a similar BMW on our YouTube channel. However, sometimes you might not have the time or desire to do it yourself. At BimmerTech, we make it easy to find a certified and trusted installer near you. After you purchase one of our products and it gets delivered, it's time to find an installer. Head over to www.bimmer-tech.net and scroll down to the bottom of the page. If you're on a desktop, click on Find Installer under Information. If you're on mobile, tap the plus next to Information and then find your installer. Once there, you can enter your city and state or zip code to find an installer near you, or you can use the map to find one. You'll see the name, address, phone number, and website of the installer, as well as their level with us. Give them a call or head over to their site to schedule an appointment. They will take care of you from there. We hope this helps put your mind at ease if you're pressed for time in your day-to-day life or just don't want to start taking parts off your car. If you do want to do the installation yourself, make sure you check out our YouTube channel just to see how easy it can be. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and how BimmerTech can help you with your ride, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.